How to import the class within the same directory or subdirectory. I have a directory that stores all the .py files. I want to use classes from user.py and dir.py and main.py. How can I import these Python classes into main.py? Furthermore, how can I import class user if user.py is in a subdirectory?
Python 2. Make an empty file called __init__.py in the same directory as the files. That will signify to Python that it's okay to import from this directory. Then just do. The same holds true if the files are in a subdirectory. Put an __init__.py in the subdirectory as well, and then use regular import statements with dot notation. For each level of directory, you need to add to the import path. So if the directory was named classes, then you'd do this. Python 3. Same as previous, but prefix the module name with a dot if not using a subdirectory.
In your main.py, where class is the name of the class you want to import. If you want to call a method of class, you can call it using class.method. Note that there should be an empty __init__.py file in the same directory.
I just learned, thanks to Martineau's comment, that, in order to import classes from files within the same directory, you would now write in Python 3.
From Python 3.3 upwards, __init__.py is no longer necessary. If the current directory of the console is the directory where the Python script is located, everything works fine with. However, this won't work if called from a different directory, which does not contain user.py. In that case, use. This works even if you want to import the whole file instead of just a class from there.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.